I just wanted to do a small intro. I'm a Poshmark, MERCARI, Amazon, eBay, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace seller. And this video will be mainly geared towards our Poshmark community. So I wanted to give you all a step-by-step, like visual and audio of how to delete an item that has offers to likers on it. Let's say I have this mug listed in my closet, which it is, but let's say it's $20 in my closet and I need it to go. I need it to sell. I need to make space for more inventory. I might send off a 50% offer to likers. So after I send off the 50% offer to likers, this mug will become $10 plus whatever discounted shipping I've allowed, either $5.95 or $4.99 since Poshmark has given us those choices. Your item has to have likers to actually have offers sent to it, and I'm waiting. And let's say, for example, while I'm waiting, after those offers have been sent, this mug sells on MERCARI. If I go to delete the mug on Poshmark, it will say you cannot delete it because offers have been sent. Like, this has active offers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to work around that. It's really good. It's a good process if you've sold something on a different site and you need to delete it from Poshmark, as well as if you sent an offer and you were like, oh, that offer was way too low, or oh, that offer was way too high. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step and show you how to fix that. Let's go. Okay, so here we have the Peachy Girl CALIWORLD closet. I'm going to open up my closet, or actually it's PEACHYWORLD on Poshmark, and you can just see these are some of the latest items that I have at the top of my closet. I have been slowly transitioning everything into a white background, so that's what you'll see there, but towards the bottom you'll see like older items. So I'm just going to go through. Here's my news feed. Here's some of the popular brands. This is me turning the camera. My news again, and back to my closet. And right now I'm just going to look for an example to give you all for the offers to likers scenario. So I'm going to filter by what's available in my closet. So these are all the things that are available, as well as likes. So I want to find something that has likes on it to give you an example. So we're going to go with these yellow lemon Crocs, and I'm going to send offers to likers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the 10%, that'll create actually 20%, oh no, 10%, and that'll create the $44 offer. I'm going to choose my shipping discount, and I'm going to send my offers. It'll say congratulations. You'll see that view offers is now selectable, and these are all the customers that have received the offer. Everyone who has liked the item, who's eligible for the offer. So now let's say I want to delete the listing. I can't. It'll say, sorry, you may not, because the listing has active offers. And there are several ways, like I said in the intro, why this might be an issue. So what I do is I copy the listing. And please make sure whenever you copy a listing to remove the copy from the title. Sometimes it's easier to copy the title and then copy the listing. But in this case, I could just type out the rest sandal and as well as the size. That's just how I do my titles. Yeah, I'm going to go back and add the size now. So that's how I do my titles. And so this is a copy. Please keep that in mind. So I'm going to make it go live. So now that copy is live. Now we're going to go back to the original listing, the one with the likes and the offers to likers. I'm going to try to delete again, and you see it says no. So this is what we do. We click size, we change the size to something else, we click next, and we publish the listing. As you can see, the likes are removed. The offers are removed. Sorry, not the likes. The offers are removed. So now when we go to delete the listing, we can delete it. So I'm going to go back, and you can see the listing is gone. It does not exist anymore. So I'm going to refresh my closet, and you can see the new listing without the likes is live. So this is how we do it, you all. If you're having trouble rescinding an offer or updating an offer, this is what we do. So thank you so much for tuning in. Feel free to let me know if this was helpful for you, if this is something you already knew, if it's something you're going to be implementing in your closet. We would love to know. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. It pushes us through the algorithm, gets more eyes on our content. As I say in my other videos, I am not a consistent poster, but I feel like I get a lot of good feedback for the how-to videos. So enjoy!